All right, friends, here's video number 3. And the third standard is I can compare two multi-digit numbers while using the greater than, less than, and equal to symbols to record the results of comparisons. So the first thing you have to know in math, we have words that have meaning. That's our academic language. Whenever you see the word compare in math, you know you're going to have to use our symbols. Less than, greater than, or equal. These are a must. Whenever you see that word compare in math, you are going to need to use these symbols. These aren't all the possible symbols in math for comparisons, but that's all we use in 4th grade, okay? Now, just to remind you, in case you forgot, here's how to remember their names, because knowing the symbols' names is very important. This one, if I turn it, it kind of looks like an L. That's less than. That's how I remember it, okay? That one, turn it a little bit, you can see that L, it's less than. Now this one over here is a little trickier, but this is how I see it. It's almost as if it's the funky line that some people use in their handwriting when they write a capital G. Can you see that? There's that right there. Some people's handwriting, that's how they make the capital G, and that's how I remember it's greater than. Now, if that doesn't work for your brain, that's okay. You'll just have to find a different way to remember the names of the symbols. Less than, greater than, or equal to. Equal to is probably the easiest one because we see it a lot in math equations. So, when you're comparing numbers, in 2nd grade, I think they tell you, you make the alligator mouth go to the bigger one. That's how you get your symbol positioned correctly. But the trick is, and you will see it on our review, they will use standard form, word form, unit form, and expanded form. And this is kind of unit form. Unit form is where we put a digit and a word together. Okay, so this is standard form, this is unit form. Unit form is just one digit and then the value from your place value chart. So you're just going to have to compare using those symbols. You're going to have to compare, fill in the circle part, and you just have to figure it out. So what I like to do, let me just finish copying this. Well, I'll actually just go here. So what I like to do is I like to write in standard form above each. So above this, I'd write 1 million. And over here, it's 300,000 and 700,000. So I have 100,000s and 100,000s. So I have to take 3 plus 7. That's 10. Well, I can't have 10 100,000s. That puts it up one more place on the place value chart. So I end up with 1 million plus, or not plus, but 1 million comparing to 1 million, which is equal to. I hope that helps.